It's noobtastic.
Hello, YouTubers. Well, it's came. It finally came. That's not it, actually. Yes, it is. A new laptop. So, without further ado, let's get it open. There she is. She has got a... where are we? It doesn't say what it's got. Interesting. That should be the Core i9. Doesn't actually say. So let's open it up and find out. Probably should do it this way so you guys can see. Bloody hell. Oh. So we got slightly smaller, very slightly. Compatible with Windows Mixed Reality. Sounds important. I hope nothing else wants to fight that much on the way out. Let's slide this way. That's how she looks. Let's slide this out, which is our power supply. Got a bit of weight in it. And here she is. Still got one to pad. Booklet, which has got no stickers at all, so I'm not interested. So I can all go back like that. Take them off. For some reason, when I bought this, they decided to give me a Naked Wines voucher. Which, to be honest with you, is quite concerning because I'm an alcoholic. I haven't had a drink now for a while, but it's good to see companies like this are still including teasers for me, basically. And I also got a $50 off your first 2 boxes gift card for HelloFresh, which I probably won't use. Bloody hell, that's heavy. There we go. She's open up. Let's turn it around this way so we've got the Predator. The Predator! Come on. Yeah, if this computer's got half as much fight as the box does, it's going to be awesome. There she is. Oh, that's a bit heavy for one hand. Nice Predator bag. It's a bit of a shame I don't know what to use it for after I get it out. And we got another bag. And there she is. Intel Core i9. Perfect. Now, from most of the videos I've watched, there's no power in it to turn it on. So, let's bust out the power supply. Look how thick that cable is. That's like a 10mm thick cable. That's the power brick. That's the box of my new mouse we're going to use too. It's about a quarter of the thickness and 3/4 the size. So if someone breaks in and wants to steal your laptop, just go by the end and start swinging. Sure, it will take someone out. Nice little warning on there too, caution, may become hot. Let's read the specs, because not everyone's read the specs. It is a model ADP 330ABD. Input voltage is 100 to 240 at 4.4 amps at 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 19.5 volts and 16.8 amp, 16.9 amp. I do believe, I'll have to do the maths on that, but I think that's like a 350 watt power supply. Because it doesn't actually say how many watt it is. Anyway, that's enough looking at something boring. Let's get this baby powered up. Shit going everywhere. Now this one should have 32 gig of RAM. Should do. Well, that's pretty cool. Everything flashed. That's a pretty nice display too. Probably get that stupid Cortina come up.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the...
I've lost them.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
Oh, be quiet. I'm trying to find the Wi-Fi password card. Can't be
Your
smell
keyboard
them.
is set to US. Want to stick with that?
No. I suppose we got to.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
What are you doing? No.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Yes.
Now type your credentials.
That's what I've got an issue with. Seems to be taking a long while.
Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do.
Important. One thing I have noticed is there's no numlock. There's nothing to say whether numlocks or cap locks are being engaged. I do like that sound. That's a bit upsetting, but there's nothing to indicate. That's a bit of an oversight, isn't it? That's not very good, acer. I wonder why you forgot to put that in.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll
I'm just going to
type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Now you can set up 3 security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer. Now for the second one. Same drill. Third one's a charm. Choose your last question, type the answer, and you're good to go. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Why not? Just buying
These
them
are the
anyway.
settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
In other words, spy on you when you're not realising.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
This is awkward.